Now, the Department of Trade and Industry and Competition Minister has welcomed an over R1 billion Tyre Factory Investment from tyre maker Dunlop. During Dunlop's celebration of 50 years of production, Dunlop's Japan-based parent company announced that it will be investing R1.7 billion into its Ladysmith plant in KwaZulu-Natal. This investment will boost local production and the output of the factory. The ministry says it's a big step towards the modernization and enhancement of the plant facilities, ensuring the support and creation of local jobs. Joining us for more on this, we are joined by Lubin Ozoux, who's the Chief Executive Officer. Thank you so much for your time, Lubin. We do appreciate it. Let's just speak more about the investment announcement and the opportunities that it's going to bring and unlock for operations and for the local economy.
Thanks, Heidi. Yes, it's actually a second investment we are making. The last one we did was in 2018 when we launched our truck and bus part of our plant and really upgrading that. And now the new investment of R1.7 billion is really looking at our passenger car tire production and really looking at investment in equipment, machinery, and really digitalization of the plant. To ensure that we have the right capabilities, efficiencies, and the right products for the future to meet the market demands for both original equipment manufacturers as well as the replacement market. Now, these new investments, obviously, the technicality and the complexity changes quite a bit compared to what we have currently in our plants. And this will create nice opportunities for development of new service providers in our Ladysmith area, as well as great opportunities for our own staff, in terms of really upgrading skills and creating new opportunities. But really a focus for us is about the Ladysmith area. We are our largest employer in that area, and this investment really is about securing the future for also the greater Ladysmith town, ensuring jobs for future generations and really taking our part in that community very responsibly.
You spoke about the demand, and perhaps speak to us about what that demand is like and how important it is for the continued investment in South Africa's automotive sector.
Yes, the automotive sector is changing rapidly at the moment. I think everybody knows new market entrants, the EV shift that is happening, and a lot of our manufacturing is also needs to be geared for export towards European markets. So, as per that, the needs for the tires, and actually not only the tires, the overall component sector is changing rapidly, and we all need to really adapt to be able to serve and to provide with the original equipment manufacturers what they require to remain competitive in South Africa, but also in the world stage, to be able to carry on making vehicles in South Africa and exporting them. So for us, it is really about, when we talk about tires, it is about new technologies, it is about lower rolling resistance, new compounding, new ways of making tires to ensure that we can provide the specifications required by the automotive sector for their future vehicles, and also to carry on being able to export overseas. So really, to maintain the very important automotive sector in South Africa, that is a very important part of our overall GDP.
Certainly, and let's just speak about the challenges that we face in this country. Unfortunately, power cuts is an everyday challenge, and I'm sure this has had some kind of impact on manufacturing. Maybe just speak to us about that impact and that challenge and how you're working around this.
So we are lucky in the Ladysmith area. We have a very good relationship. We will put the energy back onto the grid. With the agreement that actually that money that the municipality will be saving will be used for maintenance and upgrading of the infrastructure in the Ladysmith area. So reducing risk on manufacturing, but also contributing to the community.
Certainly. Well, it is definitely a great investment and a great opportunity for South Africa. Thank you so much for your time this evening. We do appreciate it. That is Lubin Ozoux, Chief Executive Officer at Sumitomo Rubber South Africa. And that's all your business news for now.